Janice is so crazy about me that I decided to buy her a holiday as a thank you present.
You let a fine woman like that go on a cruise alone? Boy, you mad? All those jolly jack tars will be all over her like a rash.
Yes. We have a good lineup tonight. A few videos of the king of comedy in Jamaica, Oliver Large. What a man full of joke, man. What a man full of comedic talent, man. Yeah, man, we now go hold up a thing, man. We'll get right into it.
Alright, doctor. Anything you say? But you mean to tell me you couldn't give me like something to ease the pain?
Oliver.
Mary, what you doing here, eh?
Oliver, me come to find out how you feel.
Well, just looking at you make me feel worse.
Doctor, I listen to you here. I say I'm one and back worse than him bite. So Oliver, tell me, what the doctor say wrong with you?
I don't even think say him no.
What you mean?
Well, when me go inside here, he tell me if it take off my clothes and show him which part the pain. Then when me feel the pain.
So you do that, right?
Yes. Then now, him start to squeeze and squeeze. See ya? I nearly dead with balling in there, you know. The pain lash me, you see, man. Then the man come tell me about say, him need a second opinion. Him don't know one thing.
No, Oliver, you mustn't say that.
Last missus, when me not pain, me say anything here, man. You think me responsible for me, I say? Nurse, beg you 2 tablets to heal the pain, man.
Let me go and check with the doctor, okay?
Yes, man. You go and go check. But remember me warning, hour 5 you make me see to expire and then you went sorry.
Oliver face the way make. Now, young Oliver, boss fresh and clean. Full of chat like parrot. We now hold up the thing. If you don't like the thing so far, like the video. It's easy, just like the video. Subscribe. Click the notification bell.
Mr. Oliver, come this way, please.
Can that squeeze up again?
No, the doctor says you are to get an injection to rid you of the pain.
Injection? No nurse, no bother. Maybe wait until the second opinion come.
Mr. Oliver, stop acting like a child. Please come this way.
Me say me no want no injection.
Oliver, shame on you.
Shame on me. Nurse, I come in, nurse. I come in. I don't think say I can last out for the second opinion.
Whenever see a big tough man like Oliver afraid I want the injection. I say look a pain about the man and I come go like say his dear old baby. Then Mrs. Suppose he never have to feel the pain that we woman feel. He never hear about baby pain. Charlie said, we mustn't talk, cause me don't have neither chick nor child.
Yes! Why?
Just stop it, man. See?
A baby pain that Oliver feel or what? Oliver ball out like say, yo, somebody sticking with a needle. Well, some people have needle phobia. I don't know what they call it, but yeah, probably that Oliver had. But boy, Oliver under pain. It was either needle when afraid of or tough out the pain. He was couldn't tough out the pain. Not at all. Me understand Oliver. Anyways, we're moving forward to the next one. You like the video yet? Just like the video, man. Respect for that.
Let's see. Which part the oil is? Well, me not sit down in a passage, you know. Because me feel me food here like everybody else. Me not sit down in a passage.
Window seat or aisle seat, sir?
Give me the eye. Lady, me suitcase, them a move.
That's the conveyor belt that's taking the luggage to the aircraft.
I was only joking. Me didn't know that all the while. I travel regular.
May I have $40, sir?
No. The way she treat me, she a look tip.
$40 for the departure tax, sir?
Departure tax? But me not supposed to pay tax. Me not working.
Everybody has to pay $40 traveler's tax, sir.
So me going to get back this when me come
No?
back? What a tea.
Traveling back then seemed like it was difficult. Me always hear a story. My granny used to tell me stories about me. I said, what? Traveling now compared to back then? Be a madness. Plus, you used to get food pan Air Jamaica. Yeah, bring back here Jamaica. Yeah, man. Ackee and saltfish, curry goat, curry shrimp. Everything used to get from here Jamaica. So me here. I don't know what it is. Anyways, a first time Oliver there travel and boy, Oliver don't know nothing what go on. The next clip now, I when Oliver go up on the plane, me think. Or is a different plane? Well, let's find out.
Excuse me, miss. Miss, I think you mistakenly sit into my seat.
Walk up, boy. You too much anticipation. I will come take self from me for this morning doing
There, there's a female gorilla sitting in the seat. Will you please come and get her out for me? Oh. Hi, Queen Kong. The lady say must get up out of my seat.
Oh, no, could I bring police? Me not moving.
You know, it's two things I don't lucky with in life.
Where's your boarding pass, man?
Don't have any.
Ugly people.
Did you get one when you checked in?
I don't remember.
Boy, this is going to be a double dose of crosses, you know.
Where are your papers, man?
Them last.
Look here now. If she cannot produce her papers, if the car, because I don't think she pay to come on the airplane, you know.
And those your documents in the pocket in front of you?
No, you want to find out? Then look now, man. Look now.
You know, let me tell you something, you see. You must be very careful of the types of people you put on the plane, you know. She not good for business.
It's who you call time.
You!
I think this is the same plane where Oliver have some porridge. I think a cornmeal porridge, and the lady bring one whole pot of food. The lady want some Oliver cornmeal porridge. Oliver stiff out pan her. When the woman pop out in pot of food, Oliver say, you want some of my porridge? Anyways, we are move forward, because the next one, yeah, this man a trust in woman more than how he trust in life with God. Yeah, man. Me don't know what female woman probably come from heaven. To have trust in a female woman. Probably is not a Jamaican woman. Let's find out. You don't crucify me? Jamaican women, no love boys.
Janice is so crazy about me that I decided to buy her a holiday as a thank you present.
You let a fine woman like that go on a cruise alone? Boy, you mad? All those jolly jacktars will be all over her like a rash.
Janice would never look at another man.
Why not? She's a lesbian.
No, she is not. Janice and I are extremely happy together.
Oh, praises be.
Hello, Mr. Blackstock.
Hello, Liverpool.
Dad, it's Everton.
I know that.
Suppose you've heard the news then, eh? I said to him, look, women, we're better off without them.
What news?
About Mrs. Blackstock leaving.
Her dinner. Janice left her dinner. Well, we spent so long preparing it too.
But I thought she was on a world cruise.
A cruise. Typical, eh? First she walks out on him and then she goes on holiday.
Janice walk out on you after you pay for a damn world cruise? There was
Oh, we just watch the first 5 seconds. So like they tell all this time, the woman left him and the man chat about it, and Oliver, I guess Oliver come visit, and him Oliver probably asks where Johnny is, and him say, oh, I pay for her to go on a cruise all by herself. Lima tell the woman left him because he not perform. Me assume. Anyways, last video come up. I'm hoping to like the video. If not, just like the video for me. Subscribe, click the notification bell. And that's the way you support me and support the channel. Just like that. Respect.
Lavish act, even for you. Oliver, I want you to be my foreign preacher for a week.
You know, it's provocations like this make man commit murder, you know.
Real big money, man.
You're going to have a lot to answer for.
$1,000 a night.
That's a low-down, sinful, wicked, doggish act.
1,500.
A low-down, sinful, wicked act.
1,006.
A low-down, sinful act.
1,700.
A low-down act.
1,900.
A lowish act.
All right. $2,000, but that's the final offer.
You mean I have to dress up like Parson?
Then a must. We have to make you look convincing, man.
He know me black frock and collar.
You know what this was going? With every increase of money, there's a decrease in words. Did you pick up on that? Money talk and bull crap walk. In a play or in a real life, you better have your money up. It's as simple as that. That me tell my son to me say, brother, you better make sure see your grades up so you can go in a good high school, and then from high school you get going to a good college. You get a degree so you can have your money up, and then you can have abundance of everything, including women. Anyways, hope you like the video for me, please. Share the video for me, please. Subscribe and leave a comment down below. Stay safe. God bless. You go to bed.